Also taken coffee to go. Anglo-Indian. This is what we have to climb now. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali and today I am going to Lonavala with my family and it's going to be like a staycation. We are going there only for one night and the journey begins now. So let's go. I have my bhabhi, hi, my brother and my mother. Stopped at the food court जो ये मुंबई लोनावला के रास्ते में आता है and we have not eaten anything since morning. हम बिना खाए निकल गए थे. Mango shake I had, but we'll eat something now, so let's go. So we have decided to eat McD. Bhaiya is in the line. Line is quite long. Also taking popcorn, salted and caramel mix because we might do like a movie night or something. Also taking coffee to go. I'll eat McD on our way and yeah. We have reached our villa and बाहर से तो it's looking pretty but let's go inside and see how it is. But यहाँ आने तक का रास्ता was very scary in a way कि मतलब कोई रोड ही exist नहीं करती थी, हम कहीं से भी आए. So we have just checked into the property and the property is really very pretty. It has 3 bedrooms, एक pool area है, living area है, kitchen है. They have everything, good parking. So I am really impressed and I picked this villa and I saw this. So I am happy, like I am proud of myself. But let me give you a room, not a room tour, but like a Airbnb tour. So let's go. That was our pretty BNB and Bhaiya lives in Navi Mumbai and हमें नवी मुंबई से यहाँ तक आने में it took us almost like 1.5 hours and हम उसके बाद half an hour रुके भी थे तो 2 hours at max, which is like great. इतना मुझे अपने घर से दिल्ली जाने में लग जाता है टाइम्स या ऑफिस जाने में लग जाता है. अब हमारा प्लान ऑफ एक्शन ये है कि हम करेंगे चिल. We'll go inside the pool. We'll have good food, we'll play games. That's the plan. We are here for just one night and tomorrow we'll go back. And हमें लोनावला में भी 2-3 कैफ़ेज़ जाना है बट उन कैफ़ेज़ के लिए उन कैफ़ेज़ में we'll go tomorrow after checking out. We'll spend the entire day and that's the plan. अगर आज भी हमें कहीं डिनर के लिए जाना होगा तो we might go. Let's see where the day takes us. Hi! Hi! So yeah, I was telling them our plan of action.
Yeah.
Also, she is also making like a day in my life short, so you can go and check that out as well.
Thank you for the shout out.
Yeah.
हाँ?
केला. मम्मी को बनानास दिख गए हैं कहीं पे तो. कहाँ पे बनानास? ये है बनानास. Okay, so we all just came out of the pool, we took a shower, we ate something because all of us were very hungry and now we are going to chill for some time and then we'll go out for dinner if everyone is in a mood to have dinner. But I am very hungry still. because we were inside the pool for so long, but it was fun. Like the temperature was perfect, there was no wind, we were not feeling cold, and like I went to the rooftop, and the views are amazing. I couldn't capture it because I was present in the moment, but tomorrow morning I'll definitely show it to you. Like there's a railway track, then I can see the mountains and the village. It's so beautiful. Like the sunset was so pretty. So tomorrow I'm gonna make sure to show that to all of you. And yeah, like we can hear a train passing by every half an hour or 1 hour, and it's not irritating. Like the noise is not too sharp or annoying, but with the view and everything, it feels so dreamy. Like I'm seeing this side of Lonavala for the first time. I have been to Lonavala, but more like a commercial side of Lonavala, and this is very peaceful, quiet side of it, and I am enjoying every bit of it. And also I am traveling with my nephew for the first time. Like we are on a vacation or a staycation for the first time. We are together most of the time, but we haven't gone out together, like if you know what I mean. But this time we took him to the pool with a floaty, and he was enjoying. Like he was supposed to stay in the pool for like 10-15 minutes, but he overstayed, and he was so tired and hungry. Then he slept, and now he has woken up. So I'm going to go back to him. I'm not going to show a lot of him in this vlog. He's a kid right now. He's like a infant. He's a baby right now. And yeah, I always make sure to spend enough time with him because I love him so much. Like even if I'm not seeing him for 1 week or 2 weeks, I miss him and I just want to be with him. And then I come to Bombay and then I meet him. That has become the pattern now. So I'm going back again to spend some time with him, and after that I'll catch up with you guys. Kya? So this is what I'm wearing, and he's saying that I'm wearing a banyan.
So funny. So funny.
So funny. So we have come for dinner to this place called Kotro Bistro. Apparently it is popular over here in Lonavala, and we all are very hungry. We are starving, so let's just go, and hopefully there shouldn't be any waiting, but even if there is, we'll have to wait. We don't have any other option. Luckily we got the table. They were sold out, but they just had one table and we got that. And yeah, we are going to order something now because we are very hungry. And this is what I'm wearing. Super casual, super chill. I was not in the mood to get ready. Food is here. Next morning, and we are checking out from the property because the checkout time is 11 and it's already 12 and we are checking out now. But as I said yesterday that I want to show you the Chatwala area and how beautiful it looks, so let's go there first. We have this staircase area जिससे छत पे जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे इतने सारे प्लांट्स है, हर जगह ग्रीनरी है काफ़ी ज़्यादा. सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ द व्यू. दिस इज़ लाइक अ विलेज. यहाँ पे लोगों के घर है, बट यहाँ से पूरा ऐसे हिली एरिया दिखता है. एंड ये रेलवे ट्रैक है. यहाँ पे हर आधे घंटे पे कोई ना कोई ट्रेन जा रही थी, एंड इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. लाइक मेरे को ट्रेन देख के मज़ा आता है फॉर सम रीज़न. एंड यहाँ से हम ट्रेन्स को जाते हुए देख रहे थे, एंड it was very beautiful. Like pura entire scenery looked picture perfect. Look at the clouds also. The sky is so clear. We don't get this often back there in Delhi NCR, but abhi to wahan pe bhi sky clear hai. But it looks so pretty. And now we are heading out. I mean, we are checking out only, so we are going back to Bombay, and in between we'll eat something, we'll do something, and I'll show that to you. And also, quick fit check. This is what I'm wearing. This is like a farshi salwar, and I love the color so much, and even the fabric, like this is pure cotton and feels so comfortable on the body, and it's too hot outside, so I wanted to wear something casual and comfortable, so I'm going with this. And yeah, so we have come to do breakfast slash lunch because it's 1 p.m. right now and we haven't eaten anything yet. So we have come to this place called Anglo Indian. So let's order. कम टू टाइगर पॉइंट, मतलब टाइगर पॉइंट से भी आगे आ गए हैं, कुछ ऑफ रोडिंग टाइप्स करते हैं। ATV राइड है यहाँ पे बेसिकली, एंड हम उसको चेक करने जा रहे हैं, बट मुझे लग नहीं रहा कि कुछ है।
I think that's just for the season time. अब भीड़ नहीं है तो वो भी घर पर जाकर खाना खाकर सो गया होगा।
बट ये यहाँ पे तो रोड ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती।
वैसे बहुत सारे व्हीकल्स आ रहे कुछ तो।
हाँ टाइगर पॉइंट है।
सिग्नल भी नहीं आ रहा, इधर फंस गए तो हो गया काम।
नीचे तो उतर गए हम लोग।
मैप पे एक बार डाल दियो घर का रास्ता, व्हाट इज दिस सम अदर रूट। अरे वाओ,
This is what we have to climb now. भैया ने हमें ज़बरदस्ती ऑफ रोडिंग कराई है, लाइक वी ऑल डिडंट वांट टू गो बट वी हैड टू पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज वी आर पैसेंजर प्रिंसेसेस ओवर हियर। बट बहुत ही कोई रोड ही नहीं थी, एंड एकदम स्टीप सा स्लोप था ना, उसके अंदर हम जाए जा रहे हैं, एंड अब नाउ वी आर बैक टू नॉर्मल रोड फाइनली।